From the fundamental instructions for ideal living, the path of the Buddha leads us to the boulevards of light and joy. Here, the mind rises above matter and the material. We are ushered into the appeal of the teachings and the virtues of the awakened one. This is the realm of the Dhammapada, where in Buddhavagga it is said that our life is shaped by our mind, and we can take our lives into our own hands, aided by our insights into the joys and sorrows, the causes and effects of thoughts and actions.
यस्सजितं नावजीयते जितमस्स नो याति कोचि लोके तं बुद्धं अनन्तगोचरम् अपदं केन पदेन निस्सथ.
He is the conqueror who can never be conquered, into whose conquest no other can ever enter. By what track can you reach him, the Buddha, the awakened one, free of all conditioning?
यस्य जालिनि विसत्तिका तण्हा नद्धि कुहिञ्चिनेतवे तं बुद्धम् अनन्तगोचरम् अपदं केन पदेन निस्सथ.
How can you describe him in human language? The Buddha, the awakened one, free from the net of desires and the pollution of passions, free from all conditioning.
ये झानपसुता धीरा निक्खम्मोपसमे रता देवापि ते संविहयन्ति सम्बुद्धानं सति मतम्.
Even the gods emulate those who are awakened. Established in meditation, they live in freedom, at peace.
किच्छो मनुस्सपटिलाभो किच्छं मच्चान जीवितम् किच्छं सद्धम्मसवणम् किच्छो बुद्धानमुपादो.
It is hard to obtain human birth, harder to live like a human being, harder still to understand the Dharma, but hardest of all to attain Nirvana.
सब्बपापस्स अकरणम् कुशलस्स उपसम्पदा सचित्त पर्योदपनम् एतं बुद्धानं शासनम्.
Avoid all evil, cultivate the good, purify your mind. This sums up the teaching of the Buddhas.
खन्ति परमं तपो तितिक्षा निब्बाणं परमं वदन्ति बुद्धा नहि पब्बजितो परोपघाते समणो होति परं विहेठयन्तो अनोपवादो अनोपघातो पातिमुख्ये च संवरो मत्तञ्जुता च भतस्मिं पन्तं च शयनासनम् अधिचित्ते च आयोगो एतं बुद्धानं शासनम्.
Cultivate the patience that endures and attain nirvana, the highest goal in life. Do not oppress others or cause them pain. That is not the way of the spiritual aspirant. Do not find fault with others. Do not injure others, but live in accordance with the dharma. Be moderate in eating and sleeping, and meditate on the highest. This sums up the teachings of the Buddhas.
न कहापणवस्येन तित्तिकामेषु विज्जति अपस्सादा दुःखकामा इति विज्ञाय पंडितो.
Even a shower of gold cannot quench the passions. They are wise who know that passions are passing and bring pain in their wake.
अपि दिव्येषु कामेषु रतिं सो नाधिगच्छति तन्हत्खयरतो होति सम्मा सम्बुद्धसावको.
Even celestial pleasures cannot quench the passions. They are true followers of the Buddha who rejoice in the conquest of desires.
बहुं वे शरणं यन्ति पब्बतानि वनानि च आरामरुक्षचेत्यानि मनुस्सा भयतर्जिता. नेदं खो शरणं खेमं नेतं शरणमुत्तमम्. नेतं शरणमागम्य सब्बदुःखा